It's already been a day we have spent in this resort. This is the Vedic Village Resort, which is on the outskirts of Kolkata. It's built in the style of a village from the Vedas, the ancient Indian village. You can see the rooms, they are made of clay. They have bamboo infrastructures. If you go to the restaurant, you'll see that the roof of the restaurant is made of bamboo. The best thing about this resort is you can connect with nature, you can wind down, you can just refresh, and you can have enough time to get your priorities right, to get your life straight, to reconnect with who you really are. And that's the best part about this place.
We are staying in Superior Room?
Yeah, right now we are staying in this room called Superior Room, which in contrary to the name is a pretty normal room.
Yeah.
But tomorrow we are moving to a much better room, which is, they call it the Art Villa.
Yeah, that's made of clay mud?
Yeah, it's made of clay and the bamboo infrastructure. I can't really see myself. Can you see me? I don't know.
Yeah. So a day has already been gone. We have been enjoying, relaxing, but there are a lot of things to do. They have games room, they have other activity.
The best activity, I guess, is just not to do anything at all, just relax and wind down.
And that's what we have been doing.
Yeah. Initially the plan was not to make a vlog here, just to enjoy the day, enjoy this place, but it's so nice we couldn't just help but show you guys. How is it?
So we are starting a bit late. Oh, the art villas are earth villas actually. We were right there when we showed you lakeside villas, and these are the lakeside villas. We're done with the breakfast and we are gonna move to a new room now. These are the rooms we are gonna go to today. That's the room we're gonna live in. That one. We have come to our new room, our earth villas. It's very special, it's very beautiful. shower area. Well, you must remember yesterday Bobby was talking about being back in time, you know,
The Earth Villa.
the Earth Villa. So
Not the Art Villa, it's the Earth Villa.
here we are. It's very, very comfortable room. I mean, they really know how to make their rooms, and especially the bathrooms. They have a lovely bathroom with a bathtub. Well, the detailing in this room is really amazing.
You see, paintings or other depictions of the Indus Valley Civilization era, or even the Vedic era. You'll see these kind of statues, like the Mother Goddess kind of statue, or you might see earthen buildings with thatched roofs. So it's kind of built in that way, and it's built to give you a sensation of that period. So that's what we're getting over here. It's amazing.
Along with the bathtub.
Yeah, the anachronism.
Where are we going for lunch?
We're going to Bhumi. So Bhumi is in Sanskrit or even in Bengali. Bhumi means earth, and Bhumi is apparently an award-winning restaurant. It won the best
2020.
2020 TripAdvisor Best Bengali Cuisine Award. They serve thalis. Thalis is a platter of different delicacies, and yes.
ফুড কেমন ছিল ভূমিতে?
খুব ভালো, আমার তো ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে। সব থেকে ওরা যে ড্রেস পরে খেতে দিচ্ছে ওটাও খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
কি পরেছিল?
ধুতি পরেছিল।
ও ওকে।
আমি ধুতি পরেছিল না ওরা?
তারপর আর কি ভালো লেগেছে?
ওদের মাটির থালা, ভূমি মানে মাটিরই সব কিছু।
না সেটা ঠিক আছে, লাইক award winning restaurant for typical Bengali cuisine. So what was the best thing?
স্টার্ট করেছে এই আমাদের, যেমন আমরা এই গরমে ঘুরছি, ঘোলটা তো আমাদের এক্সিলেন্ট লেগেছে, সত্যিই খুব ভালো লেগেছে। আমি তো 2 গ্লাস ঘোল খেয়েছি। তারপর বেগুন ভাজা, আলু ভাজা, ছোলার ডাল, লুচি, শুক্তো, স্পেশালি শুক্তো খাওয়া তো এখন আমরা ভুলেই গেছি।
আমার ওটা ভালো লাগে।
শুক্তো দারুণ জিনিস, ওই যে একটু মিষ্টি মিষ্টি, তাই তো ভালো লাগে।
এক্স্যাক্টলি।
শুক্তো হচ্ছে ভীষণ।
আচ্ছা, নন ভেজিটেরিয়ানে তোমার কি ছিল ফেভারিট? চিকেন, মাটন অর প্রনস?
মাটনটা আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে। প্রনটাও খুব সুন্দর বানিয়েছে। চিকেন তো ইটস ওকে, বাট প্রন এন্ড মাটন রিয়েলি গুড। আর ওই খেজুরের চাটনি, ও ভালো লেগেছে খাওয়া। আর ওদের পরিবেশন করা।
If you have to compare it with other thalis you had, do you think it's the best thali you had till today? Is it worth saying that it's TripAdvisor award winning thali? এরকম ছিল?
হ্যাঁ, রান্নাগুলো ডেফিনেটলি ভালো। মাটির ঘর, মানে অ্যাম্বিয়েন্স, তার সাথে রান্না মিলে অন্য যে জায়গায় তার থেকে এটা নামের সাথে এর খাওয়া বা গ্রামের বাড়িতে বসে খাচ্ছি এরকম মনে হচ্ছে, সেই হিসেবে আমার মনে হয় এই জন্যই এটা অ্যাওয়ার্ডে।
আচ্ছা, তুমি কি ইউটিউব ভিউয়ার্সকে এটা রেকমেন্ড করবে?
না, আমি এটা নিজেদের মধ্যেই আলোচনা করছি।